Welcome to another episode of Jumping in the Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today I decided to make something for all the chocolate lovers out there. And this is what's going to be jumping in my pot today: homemade chocolate brownies. Let's get to the ingredients: pure vanilla extract, salt, 100% unsweetened cocoa, semi-sweet chocolate chips, eggs, granulated sugar, unsalted butter, and all-purpose flour. Now, we're going to melt the unsalted butter in the microwave. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. I've taken the unsalted butter out of the microwave, and this is the next step we do. We add the granulated sugar to the butter and the cocoa powder, we vigorously whisk the sugar in with the butter and the cocoa. Until the sugar totally dissolves in with the butter. We do this for about a minute. Now we're going to have the salt jump into the bowl. Then the eggs. Since this is not a cake we're making, we can put all the eggs in, and we don't have to do it one at a time. We whisk all of this up. And now we're going to add the vanilla. So you can mix this as much as you like, as long as you haven't put the flour in yet. Because when you put the flour in, you don't want to overmix it to make it tough. Now we're going to move to the last step. I have an 8x8 square baking pan here lined with parchment paper. And now it's time to add the flour. And the chocolate chips. Now for this process, we're going to use a rubber spatula to mix it. We fold all the ingredients together. Okay, now we take baking pan and we spread the mixture, the brownie mixture, into the pan. Yes, now I've spreaded it out, and this is what we're going to do now. If you want to, you can put some chocolate chips over the top. Look at the chocolate chips jumping all over the brownie top. Okay, now we're going to put it in the oven for 35 to 40 minutes, and the oven will be at 350 degrees. Here you have it, homemade chocolate brownies, ooey gooey chocolateness. Enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, and X. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.